FFW.
Western Pennsylvania until 11. It's 6:05 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Guys Mills, Lincolnville, Wrightsville, Canada Lake, Cockratton, Blooming Valley, Townsville, and Spartansburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A strong thunderstorm will impact southern